Hey guys, Coaster Fanboy here. Welcome back with another video. Today, we're doing the 16th construction update of Orion. Yes, it is almost done. I'm really excited because this thing is going to be awesome. The helix is obviously done, and the brake run is about to be connected with the weird, just like, thing. But you know what I mean, that there's only a few pieces left, probably one or two to put in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Since the last one, I mean, there's a lot. It's almost done, and I'm just really excited. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.